What's going on, everybody? XzavierPhotos. This is going to be the first video dedicated specifically to photography. We're going to be sitting out here under this bridge. We have the Canon R7 with a 35mm prime hooked up right now. As soon as the performers get here, we will get everything going, and hopefully I'm going to use some off-camera flash photography. Probably going to be running about 1/1000 to capture all that motion and get some nice still. I'm doing a YouTube video also. First thing we did, brought out our light. We got our Xzplor 600. We got our setup going here. I have been working on the lighting. We got that set up well, but the lighting looks good. Here's some other shots that we've ran off so far. The lighting looks good. ISO 200. We got the Xzplor 600, 1/4 power. Really nice shots in here.
Good. Ooh, I love the light.
All right, we got Kaitlyn here.
All right, so these are fire fans. All 10 of these wicks, all 10 of these babies are gonna be lit. We're gonna dance with them.
Nice.
All right.
That's the gist of it.
Podcast channel.
This is amazing.
I love that.
Sick.
I love
Big thank you to our models here today.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time.